Hi Year 9, so this is your geography lesson for the week commencing the 29th of June. So you need to keep this all together with all your geography notes. So our title is looking at global ecosystems, and you can also get the learning objective down as well. So linking to the spec, so we're on sort of the first few lessons of our second topic now, section B. So we're looking at the living world and we're starting off with ecosystems. So last lesson, we looked at sort of balancing an ecosystem and looked at Witton Park in a bit more detail. And then this lesson, we're now looking at large scale ecosystems, so global ecosystems around the world. Okay, so we then need the subtitle, please, the distribution of global ecosystems. So you can get that down, underline it with a ruler, and then a definition, first of all, underneath that subtitle. So you can put definition, and a biome is a large region with its own distinct climate, plants, and animals. So global ecosystem and biome basically mean the same thing, okay? So some more notes for you. Next bullet point, global biomes form broad belts across the world from west to east, parallel to the lines of latitude. Next point, this is because the climate and characteristics of ecosystems are determined by global atmospheric circulation. So it's linking back to that first topic now, okay? And then next lot of notes, there are variations in these west-east belts due to, first of all, ocean currents, second of all, winds, third of all, distribution of land and sea. So we can make sure we've got all those notes down. Okay, so that's it for notes for this lesson. Next bit now is just over to you. Okay, so what we ideally want is for you to have an understanding of all of the world's biomes. Okay, so all the global biomes, for you to understand where they are, why they're there, and you know what you'd expect to find in each one. So we can see that we've got this map here, and we've got a key, so it shows you where all the different biomes are, what they're called, and whereabouts they're going to be located. So ideally, we want either a piece of A3 paper or a double page in your book, or you can stick two pieces of A4 together. And if you can, from the internet, or you can use this one, you can get a biome map. Same as this, glue it in the middle. Across the top of your A3 piece of paper, you can put the title Global Ecosystems, and then upload it as a PDF onto Show My Homework. Is page 57 from the textbook, which is basically a table that has all the different biomes listed and some key facts from each one. So you can sort of draw an arrow to your different biomes on your A3 piece of paper, put the title of what that biome is, what it's called, and then you can sort of bullet point some key facts from the information for each one. So for all 8, okay? Now I know that some of us haven't got access necessarily to the internet or to being able to print something off in colour or even black and white. So I've got some alternatives as well, which is perfectly fine for you to do instead. So alternative number 1 is I've uploaded a PDF, okay, called Global Ecosystems Worksheet. And basically this has a map in the middle of it already, and it has some information around it for each of the biomes, where you're basically just doing a bit of a gap fill by using the info uploaded as a PDF of page 57 of the textbook. And you can then colour in the biome map. So that's an alternative there, if you're able to do that. If you're still struggling with a printer, or you've not got colours at home or anything like that, then alternative 2 is to use the information PDF in the textbook. So it's put together as a table, and basically you just make a copy of the table. So you won't necessarily have the map, but you can always get one of them, like when we come back into school at some point. Okay, it's not the end of the world. But if you've got your table with each of the 8 biomes and your information next to it for each one, just like it is from the textbook. And again, you can condense down that information so you don't have to write it all word for word. Then that is fine as well. So basically, you've got 3 alternatives, 3 ways you can do this task. But by the end of it, you should have all 8 biomes listed and information and location for each of those biomes, please. Any questions or anything, pop it on Show My Homework and I will get through them as fast as I can. Okay, if you're unsure, you're a bit stuck or anything like that, I will try to help you as much as I can. Okay. So just to summarise, the documents I'm going to put on Show My Homework is the information, which is page 57 from the AQA textbook. So that has the information and all the different ecosystems to help you. I'm also going to put the PDF of the Global Ecosystems worksheet. So for those of you who prefer to do that instead of the big like A3 sheet, you can do that one, colour it in, fill in the gaps. So that'll be on there as well as an alternative, and also a copy of this PowerPoint. Okay. So all of this is due in, please, on Monday the 6th of July, as normal, as a picture uploaded onto Show My Homework. And attached to this, same as it has been for all the others, there will be a 10-question quiz for you to complete. And then finally, just an exam question for a bit more challenge for those people who want that. So describe the global pattern of the tundra ecosystem. So 3 marks. So you've got to be thinking about your T. So trend, where is it? Does it follow a line of latitude? Is there a pattern? Okay, think north and south potentially. Example, name a continent, name a country where it occurs, and then any anomalies. So is there anywhere where the tundra ecosystem occurs that doesn't follow the trend? Okay, so maybe it doesn't quite follow that line of latitude. So quite an easy one really to have a go at. Okay. Again, any questions on put on Show My Homework and I will sort through them for you. Stay safe, guys, and hopefully see you soon.